सोहा जी, दिस इज राजेंद्र सिंह फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन
जी।
हम चाहेंगे कि टीवी स्क्रीन से रिलेटेड कुछ बचपन की यादें, लम्हे हमारे साथ आप शेयर कीजिए।
बचपन में ऑफ कोर्स हम टीवी ज़्यादा देखते थे, बट वी हैड रूल्स के फैमिली टाइम वाज फैमिली टाइम, वी वुड ऑल सिट अराउंड द टेबल एंड हैव लंच एंड डिनर। जैसे अब कुणाल और मैं जब खाना खाते समय भी टीवी देखते हैं, बचपन में ये अलाउड नहीं था। आई डोंट नो दैट्स गुड और नॉट, बट वी वुड वॉच ऑफ कोर्स। जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी देयर वाज ओनली दूरदर्शन, फिर स्टार वर्ल्ड आया एंड देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ मोर चैनल्स दैट वर अवेलेबल। I always like watching murder mysteries और detective stories, जो अभी अम्मा दिल्ली में और मैं मुंबई में हम दोनों साथ साथ देखते हैं, even though we're in different places. And cricket, of course, जैसे कि when we were young, we watched a lot of cricket on TV, and I think Kunal and I were perhaps the only people, and Atul and Ranvijay, to see the World Cup final on this lovely new television screen as well. So lots of TV growing up.
Thank you.
एक सवाल है, थोड़ा सा टॉपिक से हटकर है। हम सभी लोग स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़े हुए हैं। गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट बॉक्सर है जिसका नाम है ऋषु मित्तल, उसे अपनी स्कूल की फीस भरने के लिए मेड का काम करना पड़ रहा है। तो इस चीज़ को आप लोग एज ए सेलिब्रिटी कैसे देखते हैं? सभी का एक एक रिएक्शन।
बुरा लगता है बहुत, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली हम भी जब फिल्में प्रमोट करते हैं, सब लोग पूछते हैं कि आपकी फिल्म आईपीएल के टाइम आ रही है, तो हमारी देश में रिलीजन सिर्फ क्रिकेट और फिल्म्स हैं। बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि बहुत सारे अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं जो हम ये सवाल हमेशा पूछते हैं कि यार हमारा देश इतना बड़ा है, इतनी बड़ी आबादी है, फिर भी हम ओलंपिक में गोल्ड मेडल नहीं ला पाते, या हमारे 11 खिलाड़ी ऐसे नहीं है जो फुटबॉल जीत सके, सबसे बड़ी आबादी वाला देश है। और उसी वक्त सब लोग ये भी कहते हैं हाँ लेकिन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, इन लोगों को कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता। सो डेफिनेटली एज अ थर्ड पर्सन अभी जब मैं ये बात सुनता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत दुख होता है, लेकिन क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग। आई थिंक धीरे धीरे लोगों ने कबड्डी को, अभी जैसे वो आईपीएल की तरह कबड्डी के लिए उन्होंने किया, फुटबॉल के लिए किया, बैडमिंटन अब थैंक्स टू साइना नेहवाल एंड ज्वाला, दैट्स टेकन काइंड ऑफ, अब पीपल एटलीस्ट नो अबाउट द स्पोर्ट, दे वॉच इट मोर, एटलीस्ट प्राइम टाइम पे कभी कभी उसको लाइव दिखाया जाता है जो पहले नहीं दिखाया जाता था। रिसेंटली मैंने वो, आई डोंट नो इफ इट वाज ट्रू और नॉट, बट बहुत बुरा लगा वो फोटोग्राफ देख के जब द विमेंस कबड्डी टीम वाज इन, जब वो वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा था और those girls with the kabaddi world cup waiting for a rickshaw to pick them up. So it's heartbreaking, and I really I don't know how to fix it, but I really hope that we figure out a way to at least encourage them and at least give them a way of life where they can dedicate complete time to playing the sport and bringing glory to our country, as opposed to not being able to play or represent the country because there's no financial aid available.
Can I just say something? Just on a completely personal note, true story, and you can check this if you want. Long before anybody had heard of MC Mary Kom, I would ask anybody, do you know who MC Mary Kom is? And nobody had any idea who MC Mary Kom was. Okay? 4-time world champion. So friends of mine abroad would tell me, you don't know of this boxer. When she goes to a stadium, people are shouting her name, non-Indians, because no Indians were watching, going, Mary, Mary. And this was somebody who was 4-time world champion at that point in time. I asked a couple of movie stars, why don't we call her down? I asked a friend of mine who owns an automobile company, why don't you give her, a really nice car or something, because she lives in Manipur. Nobody moved, nobody reacted. Finally, when she won the 5th World Cup, her 5th World Championship, with no agenda whatsoever. We do not represent her, but my company doesn't. At no point have we tried to, with zero agenda. We wrote a personal check of 2.5 lakhs. I had to work very hard to find out where she lived and what her bank account was. I sent her the money with no agenda, saying, listen, have a beer or lots of them. Thank you for doing what you're doing. Even if anyone didn't send me this person's contact details and we'll do something. Okay, so I'm saying before anyone knew who she was, I think we need to do something. And I'm not telling you this out of anything. If you feel anything for it, I've been a sportsman my whole life. I'm obsessed about sports. That's all I mostly watch on television. The worth of a country and the worth of its people is often measured by the amount of precious metal its athletes bring home. Okay? And to me, that is vitally important. I think it's important that corporates recognize this as well, and we help our people. Because if you look at yourself, if you go to America, everybody is really super proud about being American. And apart from everything else that the country has, there's lots of countries like this, okay? The sense of pride and value comes in from the precious metal its athletes bring home. You look at China differently today because of the number of gold medals they win. And I sincerely believe this. And we've done this by example. You don't have to write about this. I'm just telling you this, that we've done this on our own with zero agenda. We still don't represent Mary Kom. Okay, so this is completely without any thing at all. And I think more people should. That's it.
Thank you so much. With this, we end at Indeed a Good Thought. Today, so I'd like to thank Mr. Atul, Mr. Ranvijay, Mr. Cruz, Mr. Neeraj, Soha and Kunal for being a part of the event today.
Let's do it in a proper manner. Is it going to be there?
Not really, honestly, like I said, when I saw the television and when we used all of the functions. We actually love the television and we really want to keep it. In fact, the question is that will we be able to change the television if ever? Because we are so used to this new Ambilight feature that it has now, and it's so immersive and it's actually addictive. And Philips is the only brand that makes this. So I'm definitely going to keep it.
So my problem is different. My problem is that I have only one of these TVs. The other room doesn't have this one. Now nobody is watching that TV at home. So it's not like when I'm watching an NBA match, somebody wants to watch, they also come on this TV. So that's the problem. So I think everybody in the house now wants this TV, which is the problem. Because it's so nice, because it really, the experience of viewing a match or playing a game, everything becomes amazing. So मेरा ये झंझट है, तुम्हारे पास तो फिर भी दो हैं, तुम्हारे पास दो हैं, मेरे पास एक ही है।
बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। जो स्पेशल फीचर है इसका ना, एम्बीलाइट फीचर, इट्स लाइक सराउंड साउंड, अब सबको मालूम है, दिस इज लाइक सराउंड कलर। तो जो कंटेंट है टीवी का, इट्स नॉट कन्फाइंड टू द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ द टीवी, इट स्पिल्स ऑन टू द वॉल्स, ऑन द सीलिंग एंड गिव्स यू दैट इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे आपको ऐसे फील होता है कि आप वो पिक्चर के अंदर ही हैं।
बोर्ड में तो 65 है, पर है about 85-90.
That's true. So it looks, the TV screen looks even larger than it is. I think it's fantastic. It's beautiful, and it really adds a lot to the decor and the atmosphere of the house.
Right. Also, a reaction from the three of you are request individually. The state court has recently passed a judgment saying that with the beef ban, there's also going to be a meat ban in the state.
What ban?
Meat
No,
ban.
they were
You're
saying,
kidding.
No, I'm
You're being
serious.
sensationalist. That's not true. They said they were considering perhaps including goats, but perhaps not. They do not want it to be a vegetarian state at all. Of course, I certainly believe that the state should not control what we eat and what we don't eat, but that's my personal take on things.
Same here. A lot of people have preferences, or we talk about sports in one breath, and in the other, if you stop, there are a lot of kids, a lot of athletes who are not vegetarians depend on this kind of food to represent our country, to become better sportsmen. It's part of nutrition. It's not a fad to eat a certain kind of meat, it's not a fad. It's part of their diets. It was suddenly you're taking it away. Now they're so they have to fend for themselves. They have to look at tofu and paneer. So for me, definitely it'll be sad.
It's the same thing. I mean, like he said, it's not that you were born into a family, and if the family has a diet and meat and poultry is a part of that, then as a kid you get used to eating that. When you become old enough, then it's your choice. If you really don't want to eat it, you don't eat it. But like he said, some people, I mean, if you cannot afford the other, like he said, the tofu replacement for protein, and you're training to be an athlete or a bodybuilder, for example, then those people go and do those drugs which are really bad for them. So I think it's a personal choice, and you cannot enforce that choice onto somebody.
I think if you want to advocate vegetarianism, or if you're concerned about animal slaughter or the welfare of animals, the idea is to educate people and let them make their own informed choices. You can't impose a ban.
Talk about that. Talk about, okay, what are the benefits of being a vegetarian? A vegetarian, you can't start banning stuff, because I can't understand that we are not the safest country in the world. We are not a developed country. There are so many other things that you should be looking at. Make this the safest state in the country. Why are you banning meat? So I think the focus is at different things, and this is not even making sense. It doesn't make a person a better person by not eating meat. Is that true? It's not. So I just think if that happens, it will be very sad.
एक सवाल आप तीनों से कि हाल ही में शशि कपूर साहब को दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। अगर आप अपनी कमेंट कुछ देना चाहें उनके बारे में।
बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देंगे, बहुत ही इतनी टैलेंटेड एक्टर है, and it's great that he's getting this recognition. So all the best and congratulations.
Because he's a legend, और उनको तो मिला है, तो हम सबको खुशी हो रही है as way super juniors. We are just looking at it and we are really happy that he's been awarded that. You must have some stories, because I guess.
Because I'm so old that I've.
No, because your mum must have worked with him or something, so you must
No,
have
of
some.
course, I think Amma has worked with him. Certainly, but I'm a huge fan of Rishi Kapoor. I've recently started following him on Twitter. I think he's really funny and so modest as well. What?
Nothing.
What did you say? Just now? So, many congratulations.
Thank you so much.